Okay, guys, welcome back to another edition of Jay's Strategies and the Market Makers. Okay, guys, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure to follow us on Twitter. We drop lots of information. We can see that today we are seeing that 43% of Bitcoin trading volume is in U.S. market hours. That is amazing. That's showing things. They're saying that a lot of people in the United States by the end of 2022 will end up having Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and hop over to the Bitcoin charts. As you can see, we've been posting on Twitter and showing you guys that Bitcoin has been following this EMA, okay? We've been tapping it, and you can see how they have strike, 1, 2, strike to the upside, pull back, okay? Now we're coming back here, and we need to close above this EMA, okay? So we need to close above this moving average right here, and then we need to come up into the Ikomoki cloud, which is right in this level, and this is where we're facing a lot of resistance, okay? So I'm expecting to come up into this cloud, and I'm expecting it to trade sideways, maybe come back, because what you're doing is people are going long, okay, as we have that set up. So people going long, what they're doing is they're pulling back and they're hitting those liquidation points, you know? So we can probably expect a nice little strike over here once we get into this cloud, okay? That is really what I'm seeing on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is the larger time frames. This is what we like to see. Let's go ahead and turn off Trader Reality, and let's go ahead and let me go to Bollinger Bands. Let me just turn on. Okay, so you can see that we came back up to the mid Bollinger Band on the 4 hour. So I'm expecting it possibly to break above and then test that like that, and then pulling this Bollinger Band up, okay? So let's go ahead and see what happens with that. We're going to shoot over to Ethereum, guys. So now we're going to pull the same thing. We're going to shoot to Ethereum, and this is on the 4 hour. You can see how it's pulled towards this Bollinger Band. It pulled it down, all right? So what we want to see on this Ethereum here is we're going to want to see Ethereum pull back to the mid-range, okay, and then hold above, pull us back into here, and then I can consider going long. But as of now, once we tap here, I can see us pulling back, okay, and going short on that one. So let's go ahead and see what the market's rocking out. Let's go ahead and pop up some Doge. We'll talk about Dogecoin for you guys. You can see the Ikomoki flipped and switched, and it went into a good support area after Doge had that nice pump, but we are below the mid-range on the Bollinger Band. We test it, so I'm expecting today to test, breakdown, unless we have some really nice news on the open. Let's go ahead and go to the actual New York Stock Exchanges, SPX, you know, the S&P 500 index is in this big support range, so they had a lot of testing of this range. So what I'm expecting to see today when the market opens is another bounce from this range, okay? So we'll see how that works. The dollar index, guys, on the daily, you can see that the dollar index got more powerful, and that makes crypto go down, okay? So what we're going to see here is it retested that Bollinger Band. I want to see it break and come back into this support and give us good support on the crypto markets. Guys, mid-video, don't forget to go to Twitter and go ahead and smash our likes and retweet. We got Ethereum, and we got our Bitcoin, we got our daily projects gone wild. We got War of Tribes out here, okay? That's a big project on Binance Smart Chain, doing very well on an uptrend. You can see that they're tapping a nice little level here following the uptrend, so they need to stay inside this uptrend or consolidate and trade sideways. Gone Wild is actually popping up. It looks like it's on an upward wedge right here. We just need to break into these levels and then hold above that and do some of our good releases. And you can see also today, and actually yesterday, we talked about the Bitcoin on the 1 hour, and then now we're talking about it again today. You can see that what we're saying here on Twitter is, you know, basically what we just talked about in the video, testing the EMA, coming back, getting some resistance, and then bouncing off of that. Those are perfect opportunities. This is my own opinion, guys, so make sure to watch this video all the way through. Let's go ahead and look. Guys, always be careful, okay? All those other things are you-know-whats, and you could see right here by reading these articles, so always be on top. Trading volume, we can see, we talked about that. Let's go ahead into the Bitcoin news. Okay, European security regulators call for a crypto ban. Every single time this happens and we have a crypto ban, band, you can see that Bitcoin ends up coming back much stronger. Okay. Next, let's see what we have coming in here. Singapore ATM shut down after central bank crackdown. So there's some pretty crazy news going on. Russian Orthodox is not a Bitcoiner church affiliates. Bitcoin will emerge stronger after stocks dip. Now that's a really interesting article, guys. You want to go ahead and shoot over to Cointelegraph and read this Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin less risky crypto bets, so the Fed is seeing the crypto, man. So let's see what goes on here. My prediction, the bull markets pull back finally and we get a 10% to 20% correction in the stock market. Yep. And then all correlations are 1. So it's pretty cool, man. The Fed balance sheet. Okay. Go ahead, hop into that news and rock out, man. Okay, don't forget to drop into our telegrams. Okay, I'm always available all the time. Gone Wild, War, Try, some of the other projects I work for. We're always rocking out every day for you guys. Let's shoot back over to the charts. Okay, guys. So basically, what I'm gonna want to see here is I want to see some really nice performance from Bitcoin here. And we all want to be bullish. We all want to be bullish. We all want to see everything that happens excellent, but we gotta move where the market's taking us. We gotta always pay attention to what the market's doing. Bitcoin on the daily, finally, you can see we traded below. We peaked at, and then they pulled us back again. So let's see if we can actually trade here on the daily. I like using the Bollinger Band because I know that once we go above this, okay, you can start going long and testing the top part of the Bollinger into our resistance, Ikamoki cloud. Guys, don't forget to go to Twitter, okay? Don't forget to go to my homepage, my profile, and every day we post reports, tweets, and news. All right, guys, awesome. Rock out. Bye-bye. Remember, Jay's strategies to the moon.